Good evening. I am going to cover a new pattern. I already covered butterfly pattern, shark pattern, then cipher pattern. Now I am going to tell you bat pattern. It is also a harmonic pattern which is useful in intraday and swing trading. We should use harmonic pattern in our trading, uh, so because this has high success rate than the other pattern. Please subscribe this video. If you have not subscribed, you will be getting automatic updates once any video is uploaded, and forward to your friend who are willing to learn or who want to enter in financial market. So let's go ahead with bat pattern. Bat pattern is a similar kind of harmonic pattern. Time frame used for this 1 hour 4 hour trade setup. Once stock market is bull or bear, trade with primary trend. You can use a trend line, and you must trade only in Nifty 50 stocks as per Indian bucket or mid cap stock which has good liquidity. You can use the stock selection criteria which I already told you. Generally in intraday we use 15 minutes time frame, and aggressive trader use 5 minutes time frame, but in harmonic pattern we are using 1 hour or 4 hour time frame. I will recommend you a 1 hour time frame. Trading time as per Indian timing 9:20 am to 11:30 am, because market had momentum, and do not trade in sideways market which is as per Indian time 11:30 am to 1:40 pm. Do not trade in the second half because market direction is not clear. It is my advice. And whatever you earn in the first half, you will lose in the second half. Even if you can use your day work other, so your day will be utilized in a good way. Bat pattern. So let's go ahead with bat pattern. Bat are 5 point chart pattern that can point toward either bullish or bearish breakout. They are quite similar in appearance to butterfly and crab, but with slightly different ratios. Point D in the bat makes shallower reversal than the other patterns and should make a retracement about 88% of distance XC. Put simply, the bullish bat looks like a letter M and the bearish bat looks like a letter W. You can say as a double top and double bottom pattern. Once things noted, both types can be reversal or breakout pattern. Look for a bullish bat in the bear trend as indicator of possible of bullish reversal. Look for a bearish bat pattern in bullish trend as a sign potential of bearish reversal. If the entire pattern is significant enough within chart, the trend is less important. The retracement in price between each reversal point X, A, B, C, D are significant and used to predict sentiment of the market. Bat pattern. When compared to other pattern, the bat pattern is still a trapezoid but more symmetrical for both bearish and bullish pattern. So I have given you a just diagram so you can see all the patterns. You can see and you can see the difference. You see top in the bearish band, bullish band, then bearish butterfly, then bullish crab, then bearish cartley. So you see that the diagram. This will give simple idea. Then you see bullish band pattern and a bearish band pattern. It is like M. You see M is formed. M is formed, and you have to buy at D point. X A B C D, X A B C D bearish band. You have to short it at D point. So you see it is a kind of M and it is a simple kind of W. This is the right way of identifying this. Retracement. For a valid bet, B should retrace between 38% and 50% of the first move of XA. You see that you have to see it is already written in the diagram. Scott Carney, who was the first recognized the bet pattern, suggests a 50% of retracement at the B is the best signal. In bullish bet, C can retrace up to 88% of AB, but it shouldn't break higher than point A, and the bearish bet, C can retrace anywhere up to 88%, but shouldn't break lower than A. The final point D, where is the pattern ends and the breakout reversal is expected. If the other point are alignment, then point D should about 88% of XA. You see D should be 88% of XA, that is mentioned in the diagram. You see, so this thing you must be aware. Trading rules for bet pattern. Setting up profit target. In a bullish bet, the profits are normally set to at the Fibonacci lines between A and A, the pattern high and the D point. So A and D point, A point and D point. In bullish bet, C can retrace up to 88% of AB. So you see that to reveal the profit target, use Fibonacci and select point A to D. The main price target are at 38.50 and 100%. Use the lower profit target as a trade entry for pending orders. I have already told you how to draw Fibonacci. Place at pending buy stop order to fire if the price reaches as the first target 23%. This way, if the reversal happens and D as expected to bet, the first order will execute on the bullish break. Otherwise, the set up pending order to expire if the price doesn't drop behind the expected reversal. The pattern could be crab or butterfly, where the price falls 162% of XA. Please remember, this point has to be noticed. Trading a bet, increase the position upside if the trend extends towards the higher profit target. This way, if the breakout does fail, you can limit losses. Use the method same to find out the bearish bet. You see, this is a bearish bet pattern. It is a kind of W, and this has shown how much profit you have to take. Then you see this is a bullish bet has been shown. So you have to remember the configuration, and it should match a approximation basis. Stop loss for a bullish bet pattern, set the lowest stop loss at the price lower than the X, the trigger sell order to close entire position if the reversal at D extend more than 100%. In bullish bet, raise the stop losses and profit target to each lower than the sell order, and if the trend extend higher, if the price doesn't break upward, move the initial stop loss higher to the point D. If the price breaks below D after the initial rally, a bearish continuation could be on the way. If the pattern of any size, the price X A B C D will often turn in the area of support resistance. See the figure, so the information should be in figure deciding to place the stopping target. So you see this is a bullish pattern. You can put the Fibonacci between point A and D and just try to take the profit as per Fibonacci level. Levels already so told you. Fibonacci level, I will again repeat, 38%, 50% and 100%. So you see you have to book 38, then 50 and then 100%. Example of bullish bad reversal. You see this is the example of bullish bad reversal and this has been drawn. So you see it is going in uptrend and you can use this. I have shown you so many patterns, so you have to just see the difference of configuration. A bat can appear a part of trend, but the pattern are large enough can be structured this on. So after the point X, A, B, C are known, a valid see here, then again. So you can use H for 4 hours or 1 hour. You can use after the point X, A, B are known for the Bailey's band predicted reversal. Area is 88% retracement of XA. This reversal is marked on the chart. As a reversal does occur at D, this confirms the bullish pattern. The horizontal orange lines on the show the Fibonacci between point A and D. Point A and D, please remember. So A and D you can see the Fibonacci levels has been given. You can book the profit accordingly. As predicted, these levels do create the region of support resistance, particularly around the 0, 100, 162%. After the initial breakout at D, price rallies to 100% retracement before tumbling back to D again. A split entry system here allows to capture your profit when breakout progresses. With each of the trade entries from D, raise the stop and profit target only 10 move higher. This way the pullback occur, you retain your some profit and the downside is limited by trail stop. Just see the diagram. So friends, you see these two pattern you can use bullish bat, bearish bat. Then you see the diagram, you can realize bullish bearish. So friends, this you can use. This is really helpful in intraday and swing trading. Swing trader can use this pattern, and I will again tell you the success rate of harmonic pattern is higher than any other pattern. So you must know it. Just you have to see what you have to take care. You have to see the ratios and the thumb rule has been set. So friends, this is what from my end, and try to you take some 15-20 stock and try to find out bad pattern on daily chart and have a practice and see how much output you are getting and compare with this PPT what I presented. So and for any support or queries you can contact me. My mail ID is Satyendra Singh. I already share mobile WhatsApp number is there. Let's try to bring a great sharing knowledge between all, and we must have successful trader. For initial trader, he must ensure that he is not getting into losses. He while initial trade he must do with the paper trade. If he is a star trader, he must see his success rate. Then he must do in cash, equity, few shares. Then he see the success rate. Then future options he must not trade in the beginning. Initially he can use the indicator, then followed by some pattern candles, then he can go ahead with the advanced pattern. This video is for your learning and education purpose. This is what friend from my end. Thank you. Good evening. Please again please subscribe this video. In case of not subscribe, share more and more people, so they will be also benefited. They might be struggling, so you can help them, so they will able to know the new things and they can implement. However, if they are not getting 100% success also, that will build up their confidence. Good night.